Hi guys, this is Sandra136A and hey, we are starting another video of some Subway Surfers. I got rid of my face since I shouldn't put my face out for some protective reasons, as I said in the last video of Subway Surfers. And I've also been playing Subway Surfers when that recording, and I unlocked this new coat, coat color on my character. And I also put some blurry stuff by accident, and we'll have to fix that up on the last Subway Surfer video later. But let's get into the video and start playing. Oh, everything's so different now. I didn't know. The policeman's also different. Let's go. Get the coins. Whoa, there's this jumping thing. Get the boots. Yes. I think these boots make you jump. But, oh, another mystery box. Maybe it has a hat. Because if I get 3 hats, 3 of the tricky hats. Oh, no. I mean 3 of the tricky hats. Then you'll get to unlock the girl Tricky. Oh, I got a board. Well, not too good, but at least it saved you life. Saves you lives, I mean. Let's go to home. Okay. So this is the girl Tricky. And I only got 1 hat in total, because I only found 1 in the last episode. Huh? Alright, get it. Okay. Doesn't matter about that. So let's tap to play. Stop playing. Whoa, this new thing is so cool. Oh no, I missed all of the coins. Too bad. But this is really cool. I mean, I don't remember it like this, but this new thing is really cool. Sorry for the interruptions at the back. Whoa, there was a fan or something, but I missed it. Oh, before it was like bottles that you have to collect. Oh, no. Oopsie daisies. Oh, dear. Well, and I forgot to use my hoverboard by accident. Okay, now let's go. Get the coins. Am I in some sort of different country? I don't know. Like, it feels like I'm in a different country. Whoa. I wonder what this star thing does. No. There we go. Phew. And last time we had to collect the bottles, but, man, I'm so bad at this game. Maybe if I don't talk for a little while, then I'll get better. Okay, let's jump. Get the coins, jump. And last time I wasn't good because I wasn't in a proper position. Like, I didn't want to show my face, so I had to move the front a little and sit. So I wasn't in a proper... Oh no, I missed the mystery box. Well, at least I got a fan. Oh, no. Oops. Oopsie daisies. I missed the mystery box, but who cares? Oh, no. Oh, dear. Not sure if I have any hoverboards. Well, I think I did. I found one, but I don't know. I know that you have to click on the screen to do it, but I haven't tried that. So when I get caught, then I'll try that. Oh, magnets. Oh. Huh? What? I tapped, but it didn't work. What? Maybe I used up my hoverboard. Oops, I'm not trying to pause the video. Yay, get rid of that. Oh no, there's this weird thing popping up from my recording. Well, who cares about that? Let's stop playing. And I missed that mystery box. What? Oh man, this is really weird. What? Well, collect award. Okay. Whoa, cool. Super Surfer Agent Bronze Award plus 3 keys. Okay. That was weird. Whoa, I got a new board. Huh? I can't. Oh yeah, I already selected it. And I got a new board, which is this. And I also got this new board, but of course it's 0 coins. What? Oh, it's a free gift. Now I selected the star one. I'm just gonna keep it as the star one then. Where are the 2 characters? Oh, I got this new one. Should I just blend it? I mean, no, I forgot I don't have enough coins. What's that the new one? There's gotta be another new one. Okay, it's probably on the other side. The other side, I mean. Okay, who else is new? What? There's nobody else that's new. Where's the other new person? Well, I thought I checked through all of them already. I don't know who's the other new person. But whoever is, it's probably not in here. Oh yeah, and this was the old outfit. Now, oh yeah, I forgot this was the old outfit. And now we got this one, which is glasses. This one. Oh yeah, I'm not trying to buy that. Sorry. Whoa, cool. Oh, that's a cool outfit. Okay. I can't see any new characters, so I'll just play the game instead. Okay, jump. Other side. Go. Jump. Boop, boop. Oh no. Oh yeah, I forgot I got keys. Cool. Oh no, I missed the coins. Doesn't matter. Whoa, that was cool. I just jumped and I also landed, and I did a little flip when I landed down. That was cool. Oh my god. How did a policeman catch up to me? Guess I bumped into something a little, but I didn't get killed. Oh no. Oh no, I missed the super jump boots. Or whatever they're called. Oh. Whoa. I missed the rest of the coins, but who cares about that? Oh, I got a magnet, but it's too late because, oh man, that's cool. Whoa, I didn't know that you have the magnet. Oh yeah, if you have the magnet, then you can suck everything in. Shh. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, there we go. I got the keys. And I'm sorry that I just shoot if that annoyed you guys. Oh no! Oh no, I ran out of all my keys. Okay, let's just play again. Jump, go to side, jump, go to other side, jump, go to this side. Here we go. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, no, no, no. Boop, boop. Okay, that was a little bit panicky. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Oh, no! Oh, dear. What? What was that? I just saw the dog. Okay, close the Facebook thing. I don't want to have it. Log in F to compete with friends. Compete with friends. I don't want to do that, okay? Well, I got really high score. These new train stations are really cool, by the way. And I'm not sick anymore, so no more coffees. Oh, man. That dog has a really weird nose, by the way. Oh, no! Oh, dear. Uh-oh. Okay, now let's go here. Go see if there are any more mystery boxes that I could collect. To see if I get any more hats at all. Oh, no. I missed the rest of the coins. Well, who cares about that? At least I got some coins. Boop. Whoa, I didn't know that those... Oh, I got that super jumpy boots thing. Okay, and I got a side. Boop, 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 boop. Oh my god, I just hit the pole. Oh no! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I was a little bit... What was that? I just saw something weird when I died. That was weird. Okay, this is going to be my last run. Then I'll end the video after this. Boop, boop, boop. Get this weird thing. I don't even know what that is. Okay, get the fan, whatever that. Oh, I missed it. Who cares about that? I don't even know what these fans do. Like, first we got the bottles, and now we got these weird fans. And I only got 1 out of 40. Are we in some sort of different country? I think we are. Yeah, we are. We're in, like, Chinese or something. Oh, no. Okay, so, guys, as I was saying before, rate Subway Surfers. Love the game. Tell us what you think. Not right now, please. Okay, so, as I was saying before, this is the last round that we're going to end the video. So, I will end the video. I have to end this video here. Have you guys enjoyed the video? Please subscribe and leave comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.